Here's some exciting news. Game of Thrones fans may be upset the final episode is coming this weekend, but they do have something to be excited about. The UConn Dairy Bar is offering a sweet way to make you smile for the next few days. They have introduced Game of Thrones inspired menu items. Some of them include the Red Wedding Sundae and the Night King Shake.
So after posting on social media, we've gotten a lot of reactions. A lot of people are sharing it, commenting on it, tagging their friends. They're all like super pumped.
I have no idea what any of that means, but I would eat all of it. I can guarantee that.
You never need a reason to eat
Nope.
ice cream.
You can find the full list and all the flavors on our Channel 3 Facebook page. You can also find me there at some point this week. The final episode of Game of Thrones is coming up this Sunday.